Hello everyone and welcome back to Satoshi Speaks YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing product which is known as Chicago Coin. So before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. Chicago Coin, empowering esports with blockchain innovation. Chicago Coin introduces CLT Token, a blockchain based solution revolutionizing the esports economy. Join a fair, transparent ecosystem connecting gamers, developers as well as fans. You can check out the market size by 2025 is more than $2 billion. Also, the annual growth rate is 20%. Global viewers are more than 500 million, and tournament price is more than $100 million. Down here, you can check out the roadmap of this amazing product. So you can check out the product started back in June 2025, and it has a long roadmap of development. So you can check out the roadmap as well. Also, down here, you can check out a white paper of this amazing product. It's a 9 pages detailed white paper. The CLT token overview and details are shared here. For example, you can check out it has been deployed on Ethereum chain with 256-bit encryption, fast transactions, community governance model as well as circular economic models are some of the features. Down here you can check out the partners of the project, which includes Bit Exchange, ICO Agency, Crypto Forest, Bitco.in, Bitcoin as well as Coin Market. Down here you can check out the about section such as vision is shown here. They are planning to revolutionize the esports industry by providing gamers with true ownership of digital assets, fostering collaborations and promoting economic inclusion through a decentralized economy. Also, down here you can check out why you should choose them. This is because they have in-game transactions, community rewards, governance as well as cross-platform integration. Also, the ecosystem is really amazing. It includes gamers, partners, developers as well as investors. Also, you can check out the frequently asked questions such as if you are thinking on which blockchain it's deployed. They had already answered that it's built on Ethereum chain. So presale details as well as you will claim the tokens instantly. Each and everything are answered by them. Also, you can follow them on their Telegram, Twitter as well as a YouTube handle, and came to know more about the product developments. Also, I want to tell you about audit. They have been audited by Quill Auditing Company. They are a big auditing company, so they have given a report, and you can consider the product as safe and secure because they have done the audit as well and they had passed the audit. So this is really good. So guys, make sure you participate into this amazing product and do some on research as well. This video is for education purposes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.